Woo.
Maybe that's not the right word to use in this case.
You getting it, JJ?
Got them all.
All right.
What is this?
That is to block off what would be for the heater hoses. That's
Let's
just
go back here.
kind of a temporary ghetto fix.
That seems like nothing can get through that.
Totally get it. Well,
It works though.
It just circles right back.
Yeah, it
in.
just recircs it. Okay.
Just to make it easier.
Yep. Woo, there we go. Look at that.
There is no
Artsy.
room.
Artsy. Wave! Wave!
Yeah, this is
There we
worse
go.
than- Oh,
You're going the wrong way,
No, I'm not.
I think. There you go. Well, I was hearing the clicks, and is that?
Oh, is it not?
Are you in Titan or Loosen?
Oh.
Yeah, you're in Titan.
It switched.
Yep,
It
yeah,
switched
watch
on
that.
me. I was taking it off, but
Yeah.
we got two.
is this new fuel line all the way up to the pump?
The fuel line's right here.
No, is this new rubber fuel line all the way up to the pump here? You got the filter in here.
I don't
I
think
know
we've
replaced
done.
some of it.
I don't think we did this end yet.
It doesn't look bad.
This one doesn't have any power brakes. So. Does?
Mike!
It's under the
Mike, wave!
That was cold. So boosters here. I guess that.
Right.
Yeah, so the bellows for the brake booster is underneath the dash, and it's so the brake booster's here, the bellows is over here.
Oh, that's a power steering? I mean, that's a power brake pump?
It is.
We'd have to look at it.
Normally I wouldn't
Got
put the tools on.
All right.
I know, but you know, hey.
Is there a gasket on it?
Gasket.
From above? There's
this
pieces of a
All right.
gasket that was
Pick that up carefully. Bring it over. Bring it over. All right. We got the bench bleed master over here.
Going.
You're getting it?
I'm like a Zen bleeder. Yeah. I'm not sure. Why is there air still in the back here? So there's two chambers,
Yeah.
and the back chamber takes a
Still
while
has it. Yeah. Go nice and slow and try to go
all the way.
all the way.
Bobby, are we going to reuse the cap?
No, no. No, it's not a bathtub.
Right.
All right, so you guys take this end off here.
Okay.
There's not another vise, huh? Because you guys got to take.
Okay.
You guys got to get this off right here. Unthread this. You just put a wrench on that and loosen it. Leave all that assembled.
You can always put it back in.
Yeah, because it's got to go on this one. There we go. All right.
So we need to take something out of here, right?
We need to get that ceramic little
This thing.
filter out of
Okay,
there.
that's tight. I think I need to do it.
Yes, grab some pliers. That's a crescent wrench.
We're going to clean the RTV off the block.
That would require a razor blade. And if this was the 80s, it would be with the mirror.
So,
Nobody got the Coke joke. Damn it.
right up front. Okay, so this had the.
Need a mod, some.
Yeah, a Sharpie.
There we go.
There you go.
This had the
Yeah, that comes off.
vacuum pump. Do we even want to play with that? We're just going to put it in.
I need
as
this
is?
piece inside.
I think that's going to go as is. Now, this should come out. Hold on.
This little piece inside comes out.
Schmutz?
Schmutz. You know, schmutz.
Do we care about the open vacuum lines here? Do we want to plug them into each other or just leave them alone?
We could just leave them. I would just leave them open, because if you cap it off and plug it, it's going to be straining. It'll be fighting itself.
Okay, so are you done? Are you ready to make holes?
Yep.
I'm going to show you how to make fights.
All right.
All right, that'll work.
Look at
Is that where
that.
we put the holes?
Arts and crafts.
Well, let me see the other one. Let's see the other one. Where'd it go? I lost it.
Yeah, I gave it to you.
All right.
You think it'll work?
I think that'll fly.
I think it's going to fly. Okay. Will somebody give me a hammer, please?
Hammer. Hammer.
This is known as the Midwestern redneck method of making holes in gaskets. I just want to double check it and make sure I've got the right alignment on all the things. You're not going to believe this. It's the craziest thing ever.
Ta-da!
Pretty cool.
Isn't that amazing?
Nice clean cut from a dull edge.
It's crazy. I tell you what, it's just wild stuff.
Was that an I tell you what?
I tell you what.
Cookie cutter.
I wonder if we should put that drain hole in it.
Maybe.
Eh.
Wow.
And there you are.
Look at that.
So you made a gasket.
Look at. Celebrate.
From nothing.
Woo! Also, Chuck, no ceramic filter in that